welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha. This is Aisha's Life. So this is the weekly vlog that I have decided to start for Vlogmas. I'm not going to vlog every single day, nor am I going to vlog or post every single day. So I decided to give y'all weekly vlogs every single week and leading up into Christmas. Now, we're supposed to be moving, and so the month of December is going to be literally us packing and like doing things that requires us to be doing when you move. And this time we're moving back to the major city of the state that we live in. We live in the state of Indiana, so we're moving back to Indianapolis, big city. So today is November the 26th. So I don't know when this is going to be going out, but most likely the 1st of December. So I'm starting the vlog now, and then, you know, every couple of days y'all get a vlog. Well, every week y'all get a vlog from that. But welcome. We today, because Anthony is off because Thanksgiving was yesterday, we're going to be starting organizing and decluttering the house. We don't have a lot of stuff. It's just the stuff that we have. Some stuff can go to the trash. So my little stash over here with all of my stuff is getting low. Let me show y'all. So this is where I kept all of the earrings. I only have a couple of files left. A girl from TikTok came and bought a few pairs, and I'm like, damn, that was a little quick. So that was fun. Also, I have realized that I'm only down to like 20 thank you cards. So I'm gonna have to order some thank you cards, but I probably will do that once I'm down to like the last like 10, because I think I got like 20. Even this is starting to get low in here with my business cards, so I'm gonna have to definitely re-up before the start of the year. Well, at the start of the year I'm gonna have to re-up. But yeah, things is being bought. T-shirts, t-shirt drawers going low. So go to beautifulbougie.com to get one of your free bougie t-shirts. We go all the way up to the size 2X. There's no smalls. So we're in the closet. Well, Anthony's like office. I won't show the whole room because
it became a storage unit.
Anyways, this tote, it has like game pieces. Is this charcoal?
Yes, that is true.
Let's keep that. You never know when you want to barbecue.
Eyebrow razors. I don't know how the fuck these got in here.
Is it a lot of them or something? Oh, these definitely are dull. These are trash.
Then you dropped them on.
Because I got a trash pile. But my nieces have like a bunch of shit in here. Anthony's toolbox that is open for whatever reason. But yeah, this is the type of shit that I'm going through today. To make sure that like we're not picking trash when we actually start packing. But some of this stuff, like, it doesn't make sense for it to be in here. So that's what we're doing. Y'all, we've been having battleship this whole time. I be trying to play. Y'all know that game, the iMessage game. What is it called? No, it's not.
War something.
War something.
War something.
Some shit. It's basically Battleship. They just couldn't use Battleship the name. But I love that game. Anybody that play that game with me, I play that game. Me and my sister, random matches. Right now, I'm currently beating her ass. So, I just didn't want to play that game.
She had to find somebody else.
Whatever. But I've been trying to play that game with everybody. Everybody. It's literally the easiest game to play. We're clearly having an afternoon of playing games and stuff in our faces. And I am A-okay with all of that. But the rest of this stuff, y'all, trash. Literally trash.
Then throw it in.
I'm just checking to see what that stuff is. They Connect 4 game, but the arm to the Connect 4 game is not in here. I'm not picking up Connect 4 pieces out. I'm gonna just be honest. What is it? Oh, that goes to your thing. Also, meet the puppy. I named her Diamond. Hey, pretty girl. Hey, Miss Diamond. Hey, Miss Diamond. She's so dang happy. Why are you biting me? Ah, ah, ah. You shut up. You shut up. Then that's our other one, Blue Boy. They get along pretty well. She's a pit bull mix. Now what she's mixed with, I don't know. Probably some Jesus. So we've decided to keep quite a few things. We are gonna get a new pot and pan set, so
I'm gonna use the originals until, you know what I mean, we get new pot and pan
ones.
sets.
Yeah. Cause I've been scoping out some sets on Amazon and Walmart, but I think I'm gonna end up just getting them from Walmart because
Blue, just give it up, bro.
why not?
Blue, move. Move. Thank you.
Get all up in his face, boy. Yeah. You tell him who's boss.
It's definitely not here.
But so far we got progress with that. So now we're about to go up here and do that cabinet that has all our dishes and stuff in it. To see what dishes we're gonna use, keep, throw away, whatever. We probably won't throw the dishes in the trash. I'll probably just end up giving them to my uncle. I'm pretty sure he can always use an extra fucking plate. I mean, why not? My uncle lives downstairs from us. But relax. You know that tail. That's how your tail sound. Come here. Come here, my handsome. Hey, my handsome boy. The jealousy over there. Hey, Miss Diamond. Okay.
What the fuck is going on with y'all?
I don't know why they barked. But progress. We're making progress. Okay, y'all. We are finally about to start playing Battleship. I feel like this one right here may get hit for sure. This one I'm unsure about, possibly. But the middles, I don't know. Let me get these out because we have not started. But we had this game this whole time and I did not know. This is crazy. I think I'm going to want to put this one over here.
Hey, go on. What y'all playing?
That one right there. This one right here. No. Duh. You can put it like that too. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. You gonna go back?
Babe, I already went. It's your turn.
Oh shit, that's right. What is this one? J8. I am about to film a video for YouTube. I decided that instead of just doing one post a week in December, I am going to do every week 2 videos, and each video is gonna be different, obviously. But in the month of December, I'm gonna do one like sit down video or like a beauty related video, and then I'm gonna hold on, let me pause this. Hey Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Pause. So in the month of December, I'm going to do one like content video where I'm like either sitting down telling a story, or I am like, you know, doing something beauty related or entrepreneur related. Because if you don't know, I have a business called Beautifully Bougie. You can go to beautifullybougie.com and shop. It's always the first link down in the description box down below. So one content video, and then it's going to be one vlog per week in the month of December. So with it being the 26th of November, I'm like, yeah, we need to start filming like right now. So while my boyfriend is not here, I'm going to try to film 2 sit down videos. So I'm already ahead 2 weeks as far as the content videos. Excuse my dogs. And then as far as the vlogs, I know what I'm doing this week, well, this month. So I will be able to set the vlogs up like that. And I think I don't want them over 10 minutes. Honestly, especially with me posting twice a week in the month of December on this channel, I want to be able to keep y'all attention as much as possible. And also, we're almost to 100 subscribers on this YouTube channel, and I'm so happy for it. So thank y'all so much for hitting that subscribe button over here and showing me so much love. I don't think I'm gonna put on any like I don't know, liner or nothing on my lips. Like I feel like I should for the filming purposes, so it's like my face doesn't look just like bland down here, because I didn't contour today because the hair is pretty much covering my cheeks. So yeah, I can't wait till I get a new wig, y'all. I bet people are like so tired of this bitch, me being like, this bitch always wearing this goddamn wig, and is. I don't wear wigs, so like, why would I keep buying them, you know? I'm not a wig wearer like that, but I'm about to get this filming done while I have the energy to. Y'all, it's like 4 in the afternoon. Like, no, like 3. Hey, Google, what time is it?
It's 3:13 p.m.
It is 3:13 p.m. and I am literally about to start filming for the day. With it being Thanksgiving yesterday, my whole like work schedule was completely thrown off because I would have been done, had everything I wanted to do done today. And I want to make some TikToks. So, child, let me get this filming done and over with.